Ramadan is here, and we are excited to host you at Green Lane Masjid. A time to reconnect with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Iftar will be served daily for both men and women. Experience the uplifting energy of the masjid and a powerful boost to your iman. To ensure everyone has an enjoyable, relaxed experience, here are a few important guidelines. Green Lane Masjid welcomes up to 3,000 attendees, so please park responsibly and avoid blocking the Morrison's loading bay. Attendees are strictly urged not to park on Green Lane to avoid fines. Chairs are designated at the back of the prayer hall. Only use them if needed and do not move them. Please ensure straight rows when praying and avoid leaving any gaps. Please bring your own water bottles and refill them at our stations as part of our campaign to reduce plastic waste. Children must be supervised by an adult at all times. Boys 10 and older must pray in the men's hall. Children under 12 must be with an adult to use the toilet. Sisters and young children can access our iftar via door E. Sisters can pray in the sisters' prayer hall via door H. Please avoid bringing food and drink into the main hall. Your feedback matters. Share your thoughts through our feedback forms to help us improve. We look forward to welcoming you this Ramadan as we stand together in worship and devotion. To share in the immense reward of all our work, please contribute via greenlanemasjid.org/donate.